Let's check out an update from the Alec Baldwin situation, because this is getting crazy. It seemed like crazy stuff happened that brought out a whole lot of things behind the scenes.
Overnight, a vigil held in Albuquerque, New Mexico, to remember cinematographer Halyna Hutchins.
No one should die on a film set ever.
The 42-year-old was killed this week on the set of the movie Rust, after superstar Alec Baldwin fired a prop gun that moments before was declared safe. Amidst the despair and sadness, countless unanswered questions, and the potential for serious legal consequences. NBC has learned days before the tragic shooting, the gun in question was involved in other accidental misfires. The LA Times reporting last Saturday, Baldwin's stunt double accidentally fired 2 rounds after being told the gun was cold, meaning not...
So that was a trial run. So that gun had already misfired. So why wasn't that gun, taken out of the movie? This is crazy. Playing with people's lives.
Loaded. The same thing yelled at moments before Baldwin shot and killed Hutchins, injuring the film's director. A crew member telling the LA Times, "There should have been an investigation into what happened. There were no safety meetings. There was no assurance that it wouldn't happen again. All they wanted to do was rush.
Wow.
Hours before Hutchins' tragic death, NBC has learned several crew members walked off set, concerned about the film's safety procedures. Rust's production company says it was not notified of any official complaints.
I think a charge of negligent homicide is likely in this case, but not necessarily for the person who pulled the trigger. More likely for those in the chain of command.
New allegations against Dave Halls, the assistant director responsible for safety on set, and
now listen to this shit.
The man who handed Baldwin the loaded gun. Licensed pyrotechnician Margaret Gull claims Halls failed to maintain a safe environment when she worked with him on a previous project.
Basically yelling at people that we need to get things done, ignoring people when they say that they need a minute to do something safely.
Gull says she raised her concerns about Halls to the production, but nothing happened.
Same things that happened on our show happened here, but with much more devastating effects. And you can't help but think, did I do enough?
NBC reached out to Blumhouse Productions